Good morning, students. Now, class 7. Today, you have to read about neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction is the acid base reaction. Why is it so called that in this reaction, hydrogen ion of acid neutralizes the hydroxide ion of base to form water. Now, acid reacts with base to form salt and water, and this acid base reaction is called neutralization reaction. As for examples, you see here that here KOH and HCl. HCl, it is the hydrochloric acid, and KOH, it is the potassium hydroxide, which is base. Now this acid, hydrochloric acid, is broken into H plus and Cl minus. During reaction, HCl is decomposed into H plus and Cl minus. And KOH, potassium hydroxide, is decomposed into K plus and OH minus. Now this hydrogen ion of acid neutralizes the hydroxide ion of base to form water. And so here water is formed. Now the remaining substance, that is K, potassium ion and chloride ion, potassium and chloride both combine to form potassium chloride. Now potassium chloride is the salt. Potassium chloride is the salt here. And this is the water, which is the result of neutralization of hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion. Now this reaction is between what? Hydrochloric acid and potassium hydroxide. And here we see that potassium chloride is formed, which is the salt, and water is formed. Now this type of reaction we see here, that H2SO4. Now you have to find the product, that is sulfuric acid and potassium hydroxide. Sulfuric acid, you know that this is the acid which reacts with potassium hydroxide. Then what is formed? Now hydrogen ion of sulfuric acid reacts with hydroxide of potassium hydroxide to form water, and remaining substances, that potassium and sulfate, reacts to form potassium sulfate, K2SO4. K2SO4 and water. Now here the neutralization of hydrogen ion of sulfuric acid and hydroxide ion takes place to form water. This is the neutralized product, and here potassium sulfate is the salt formed. Now in this reaction we see also that acid reacts with base. Sulfuric acid reacts with base to form salt and water. Now this is the neutralization reaction. Now you have to know that HCl, hydrochloric acid, this is the hydrochloric acid, and this is the sodium hydroxide. Now here reaction takes place. Now H plus hydrogen ion of acid reacts with hydroxide ion of base to form what? Water, and remaining substance, that is NaCl, that is NaCl. Sodium chloride, this is the salt, and water formed. Understand? Now HNO3, that is nitric acid, and here NaOH. The hydrogen ion of nitric acid reacts with hydroxide ion of sodium hydroxide to form water, and the remaining substances, that is sodium ion and nitrate ion, reacts with each other to form sodium nitrate, which is the salt. Now in this reaction, that is reaction between nitric acid and sodium hydroxide, we see that sodium nitrate and water is formed, that is salt and water are formed. Now we see the four reaction, we see that acid reacts with base to form salt and water. Now this is the neutralization reaction, because in all cases we see that hydrogen ion of acid neutralizes the hydroxide ion of bases to form salts, and the neutralized product, that is the water. So acid base reaction is called the neutralization reaction. Understand?